In this video, I'm just going to demonstrate how to download and install the Grid Variants program. Now, I actually already have the Grid Variants program installed, so the first thing I'm going to do is uninstall the old version. All I need to do is just go to my Windows menu, scroll down to Grid Variants Analysis menu, and click Uninstall GVA. Then from that point on, I'll just follow the prompts. It only takes a few seconds, and the program is now uninstalled. Now, to download and install the next version, I just need to open up the email or the document with the link. In this case, it's the Getting Started document, so it has a link in it. I'll just click on that link. It will take me to the Hightail website where I can do the download. Now, before I click on the Download All button, I want to know where the download is going to take place, where it's going to end up. I'll just go to the three bars at the top. And these three bars are present on just about every browser that you could possibly imagine. So the process is the same. Just click on the three bars, go down to Settings, then scroll down to Download. And in this case, my download says always ask you where to save the files, which is what I prefer. That allows me to make a decision with every file that I download. And in the case of the GVA program, I prefer to download to my desktop. Once I've made that change, I'll just go back to the Hightail site. I'll click the Download All button. Then when it says Save File, I just say Save File. I leave the file name the same. I'll just go back up to my Quick Access and choose Desktop, and then click Save. And then it only takes a few seconds to save the file. And once I've done that part, I can just close this and close the document that I had open. And the file is now on my desktop. Before I start the installation process, there's one very important step that I need to do, and that's to do a right mouse button, click on the downloaded file, go down to Properties on the menu, and then on the General tab, at the bottom of the General tab, there's a section called Security, and I need to tick the Unblock. This is a new requirement brought about by Microsoft's policy to ban this type of installation. When I've clicked Unblock, just click Apply, OK, and then I'm ready to go ahead with the installation. Now, the file that I've downloaded is a Microsoft installer file, which I click on. Then I follow the prompts, agree the end user license agreement, just click Next again, click Yes, and click Close, and the program is now installed. And there's an icon installed on my desktop, as well as all of the information is still available now on my Windows menu. As you can see, documentation, access to all the documentation, installation instructions, and all that kind of stuff is available on my Windows menu. When I click on the Grid Variants Analysis program, it will start. Generally take 8 to 10 seconds the first time. You just need to be patient. And it just opened up on my other screen. Oops, we don't need that. And there it is, the program is up and running. I can now make a selection and run the program. Now at this point, I don't need the installer file again. If I need it again, I can always download it again. So to avoid any confusion about which version of the file I have, I generally delete the MSI file, and then I just position the desktop shortcut out of the way. The program is up and running, and that's all you need to do to install the program.